Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by halting the service that triggers downloads and installs. Open services. MSC Now, locate Windows Update, WiiWaServe, right-click and select Stop. Once stopped, change startup type to disabled so it does not restart automatically. Make sure you confirm the UAC prompt. For redundancy, run an elevated command prompt and run scconfig WiiWaServe start equals disabled. This enforces the setting. You do this because stopping the service immediately prevents any new update activity while you apply persistent controls. Once done with the service, make the change persistent. If you have Pro, press Win+R, type gpedit. MSC, navigate to Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow Windows Update, and enable the policy that turns off automatic updates or set Configure Automatic Updates to disabled. If you run home, open Regedit, backup the branch. Then create hklm/software/policies /Microsoft/Windows /Windows update/O and add no auto update as a 32-bit word equals 1. Apply and reboot so Windows reads the new policy or read. You finish by reinforcing and verifying the block. Set your active network to metered in settings to reduce update attempts. Then open settings right arrow Windows Update to confirm it shows no active automatic installs. Reopen services. MSC and confirm Windows Update is disabled. If Windows reactivates updates, inspect Windows Update Medic service and any management profiles. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano to repair corruption, and reapply the red.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.